SAP S4HANA Functional Consultant role. How to become a SAP Functional Consultant for management graduates and domain experts with industry experience. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to explore: SAP S4HANA Functional Modules and how they can benefit to the management graduates and SME or domain experts. Whether you're looking to enhance your skills or embark on a new career path, understanding these modules is crucial. Finance and controlling, material management, sales and distribution, production planning, quality management, project systems, plant maintenance, analytics and reporting, human capital management and success factors, customer relationship management, supply chain management, supplier relationship management, enterprise warehouse management, integrated business planning, ARIBA supplier network. SAP S4HANA Functional Modules have been elaborated as following segments. Segment 1: Introduction to SAP S4HANA Functional Modules. First, let's start with the basics. SAP S4HANA is a comprehensive ERP system with various modules designed to cater to different business functions. These modules streamline processes, boost efficiency, and provide valuable insights. As management graduates and industry domain experts, this technology can be a game changer for your career. Segment 2: Key SAP S4HANA Functional Modules. Now, let's explore some key SAP S4HANA Functional Modules that are highly relevant for professionals like you. 1. SAP Finance, FICO. This module handles financial transactions, accounting, controlling and reporting. Is a module within the SAP S4HANA Enterprise Resource Planning system. It is designed to handle financial transactions, reporting, and management within an organization. It's perfect for management graduates looking to dive into finance or for domain experts aiming to streamline financial processes. 2. SAP Sales and Distribution, SD. SD module covers everything related to sales, from order processing to delivery and billing. If you have experience in sales or distribution, this module can enhance your expertise. 3. SAP Human Capital Management and SuccessFactors. For those interested in HR or talent management, the HCM module is a must. It covers employee data, payroll, and workforce planning. 4. SAP Supply Chain Management, SCM, which includes planning, forecasting, EWM, TM, IBP and ARIBA. Supply chain experts will find the SCM module invaluable. It optimizes supply chain processes, inventory management, and demand planning. 5. SAP Material Management, MM. The MM module focuses on procurement, MRP and inventory management. It's ideal for professionals with experience in procurement or materials management. Segment 3: Selecting the right module. 1. Choosing the right module is crucial for your career advancement. 2. Consider your background, interests, and industry demand when making a decision. 3. You can always start with one module and expand your skill set later. Segment 4: Benefits of SAP S4HANA Functional Modules. Now, let's talk about the benefits of mastering SAP S4HANA modules. 1. Career growth. These modules open doors to various job opportunities, such as SAP consultant, business analyst, or even project manager roles. 2. Higher earning potential. SAP professionals often earn competitive salaries due to their specialized skills. 3. Industry relevance. Companies across industries rely on SAP S4HANA, making your skills in demand. Segment 5: Learning SAP S4HANA Functional Modules. To learn these modules effectively, consider these steps. 1. Formal training. Enroll in certified courses or programs. 2. Hands-on practice. Use SAP systems for practical experience. 3. Certification. Achieve module-specific certifications for validation. 4. Networking. Connect with SAP professionals on LinkedIn or forums for insights. Segment 6. Book a session with our SAP expert to learn more about success stories. Learn some real-life success stories of management graduates and domain experts who leveraged SAP S4HANA modules to advance their careers. Segment 7, Conclusion and Call to Action. In conclusion, SAP S4HANA modules offer immense potential for management graduates and domain experts. They can unlock exciting career opportunities, boost your earning potential, and enhance your industry relevance. So, if you're ready to take the next step, start exploring these modules today. Book a free demo session today with www.mindbluetech.com. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you found this video informative and inspiring. If you have any questions or want to share your SAP S4HANA module journey, please leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit and book a demo session at www.mindbluetech.com.